pumps the air for
like whales.
to breathe. Yes.
Not sure.
They love it,
but what they do in the wintertime, which is really cool, is they bury themselves under the mud, right? And they can breathe out of their mouth, and they have a little spot.
Eggs, and sometimes tears come out of their eyes. But some people think because they're crying because they're babies, but it's actually because the sand gets in their eyes.
He loves the move.
And
I wonder why wet stuff was dripped. Oh. Oh.
How does the skin feel?
It feels kind of rough.
My skin.
Can he? I don't think he can go to his shell since he So I think because he goes in the water, his shell isn't customized for him to go inside of it because
You got to tiny
See how
claws.
he just lets out. It's kind of a swimming motion.
So can he leave his shell?
Yes.
No. So turtles are born
Yeah, they have
with
this,
their shells, and their shells grow with them. So one of the ways you can tell how old a turtle. You know what they
I think
eat?
he wants to go to his tail.
Fish.
They'll eat small fish. They'll eat
Jellyfish.
Minnows.
eggs. They'll eat krill. They'll eat
Jellyfish.
not jellyfish as much,
Oh.
But they eat plants too.
Nice
They'll eat
little
like
turtle.
algae and grasses and things.
Sea turtles move much faster than land turtles, surprisingly. Bronson. Bronson.
Come on.
I like owls.
It's a friendly owl. I promise.
I'll get a picture.
What was it? Oh wait.
And look at this one problem.
The hawk is out. If you go to the end one, you can fly to the museum. You see the feathers on his tail?
Oh, God.
It won't turn his hair around.
That is just one of our camp shelter. It's like a shelter that we use, like when we do events, we'll put stuff in there. It's not, there's nothing in it right now. It has like a little.
I'll just take a picture of land.
I'm going!
Don't go too far. Bronson, don't go too far. We're going to stay up this way. That's too far.
No fun if you don't go that far. I'm just taking a picture of the landscape.
Nice.
They're right under by the gazebo.
Under the
They're
gazebo.
around the gazebo.
You hear that, Donnie?
Come on, let's go find some other stuff. What else did they find?
Yeah, get the
Put your stick there. Gotta build the ferry house. The ferry house. They said there ain't things that collected on the trail. They said there
All
ain't
kind of
no
things.
rock. You gotta find something else.
Let's make a hole to put it in.
Maybe we need like longer sticks that are light to go across if we want to build a
Put a hole here.
Yes. Yes.
Where? I still don't see it.
Stop talking. What the?
Wait, put your finger back there.
Right there. The branch hanging across the log.
Hanging across a bunch of branches hanging across the road.
Branch hanging across the log. It's just his head.
And look, I found another creature for you.
Oh, what you looking for?
It's just a worm.
Oh, I found a worm right here.
Earthworms.
This one
I
right there.
found the
Can we hold it?
biggest earthworm I've ever seen in my life here
How big was it?
last fall. I mean, I thought it was like.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Branaya. Happy birthday to you.
You gonna sing it?
Yeah.
She's like, may God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
Make a wish. Blow the candles out, baby.
Make a wish, then blow it out.
All right. Woo!